guys, it's Darian. Thank you for coming to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making a propagation box. So I got this clear box from Menards, but you can get these pretty much anywhere for around $5 or under, and you can get them in a variety of different sizes, but I chose this one. What I'm going to do is drill some holes in the lid for ventilation and then put some peat moss and perlite in it, and then we'll just lay our cuttings in it. Once you lay your cuttings in it, you want to keep the box in a bright, warm area. So for proper ventilation, I think I'm going to put about 8 holes, so 3, and then 1 on the ends. So I ended up making 12 holes, and you can make more than that. I think that that will be sufficient to keep the humidity high, but also allow some ventilation so things don't start rotting. Now I'm going to go rinse this off just so that there's not any loose plastic in here, and then we will add our substrate. So now that this is rinsed out, I'm going to add my peat moss and perlite. You can use sphagnum moss or just regular potting soil would work, but I like to use this for propagation because it holds a lot of moisture, so you're not having to water this all of the time, and you do want it to stay moist. Now that the substrate is in the box, we're going to moisten this. I brought my watering can. And since this doesn't have drainage, you don't want to oversaturate the soil. So I wanted to just get this lightly moist so that when the box heats up, it'll release that moisture, and that's how the roots will grow, from the humidity inside the box. So I took cuttings from a few different plants just to see how everything does. So I've got some Hoya Waiatii, and you want to take any cutting and you want to lay the stem so that it is touching the soil. It doesn't have to be buried, I just want it lightly touching. So I'm just gently pressing that down. I've got a few pieces of string of hearts, and I'm just going to do the same thing, gently laying it down so that the stem is touching the soil. I've got some Peperomia prostrata, or string of turtles. And last, I took a cutting off of my rubber tree. And for this, I've never propagated a rubber tree, so I think I'm just going to lightly stick the stem in the soil. We'll see what that does. So this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to put the lid on. And I'm just going to leave this here on my deck because it's shaded. You could put it in a room next to a bright window. This is really easy, and if you don't start seeing roots within I would say maximum 2 weeks, then try moving it to a different spot. But with this method, I've had really good luck. I haven't used a box like this, but I have used like a grow tray with a humidity lid. And if you watched my propagating petunias video, I showed you how I did that, and I said that I would give you an update on how that is going, so I'll insert that clip here. Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update. It's been exactly 14 days since I propagated these, and we have roots. Fun! This was a really easy project that you can do. You can use any kind of clear container that has ventilation. You can make the ventilation. If you don't have a drill, you can just poke holes like with a knife. That would also work. We just want to make sure that there's sufficient ventilation so that the plants don't start to rot from too much humidity. Let me know down below if you have any questions or if you have tried this method. This is just one way that you can propagate plants. You can also water propagate. Let me know down below if you would want to see a video on that. But I do find that soil propagation like this works faster, and the roots are already acclimated to soil, so the plant isn't going through a transition period from water to soil, which is better for your plant overall. So let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, so I'll see you guys later.